1, 2, 3. No way! The last time I opened Kubo, I kind of got obsessed. So I got a whole box, a whole case, and we're gonna unbox it together. This is the Kubo 24/7 View series. Here it is. There's 12 of them. Here's our first one. Creamy Trap. I really want Creamy Trap, this one. And loyokubo, this one. Sharing Music with You, and this one. I think those three are my favorite. Oh, actually, well, there's a lot, but yeah. Oh. No way. This is the secret. Wow. The first one, and we get the secret. Wait, this is insane. Well, I really hope I get the other ones I want now, because I think you are guaranteed to get one of each, but then if you get the secret, then you miss out on one.